So hey guys, check out this awesome hands-on video of the much awaited phone, the Nothing Phone 2, even before its official release. The popular tech YouTuber MKBHD unsurprisingly has already gotten his hands on the smartphone and shot a video to show us some of the changes. The Nothing Phone 2 closely resembles the Phone 1 and seems to have the same design as the leaked renders that Carl Pei, CEO of Nothing, dismissed as fake. However, there are a few notable differences. The back panel has slightly more rounded glass, and the LED light strips forming the glyph interface are now split into pieces, offering improved functionality. The light strip around the camera has been split into 2 pieces, and the big middle strip has been divided into 6 individual strips. This means that the phone now has more addressable LED zones, 33 to be exact compared to 12 on the outgoing model. The top strips around the wireless charging section has 16 LEDs and is now being used as a progress indicator. For instance, it can show you the volume level and can also be used as a visual indicator for the timer. More interestingly, even third parties will now able to control the LEDs, and Nothing has already roped Uber and food delivery company Zomato in. There is also this cool new feature called the Essential Notification that allows you to assign an app to a LED strip. That way you can easily tell if you have received a notification without even having to unlock your phone. And by the way, there is also this awesome feature called the Glyph Composer, which lets you create your own ringtone and customize the lighting effects on your device. Not only that, Carl Pei has also shared the first camera samples for the phone on Twitter, and they look sharp and better when compared to the Nothing Phone 1. The Nothing Phone 2 will have a slightly larger 6.7 inches screen than its predecessor and will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. The phone has been confirmed to release in the US, and it is tipped to be significantly more expensive than its first gen model. So what do you think about this Nothing Phone 2? Let me know in the comments down below.